Never felt confident while stepping on scale, whether it was 2001 or 2021.
But I can't get out of bed. Too much in my
So I gained 2 kgs after holidays.
I feel number on scale will determine my value, my happiness, whether I can have a bite of cake or have to starve for 2 months. Where this fear come from? Why being thin is so important? Why we are obsessed about being thin rather than being healthy? To be honest, I don't know why. I don't know why society think number on scale is so important. But I do know why I feel to lose weight all time.
but maybe I don't ever wanna put down this light.
Little heart.
My insecurities are built by my own.
Urjit's heart was broken.
I feel I will never fit in if I don't look certain way. I feel I will be judged by my appearance. I feel I will not get my dream job. I will be not loved or I'm not just good enough. Maybe it is true. Maybe people are judgmental. But always remember, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. What is the first thing that comes into your mind when you gain weight? For me, I have to go into calorie deficient, which means I have to eat less than what I'm eating now. Or even better, skip some meals and I will lose weight quickly and fast. I did same thing over years and years. 2001, 2002, 2003 and 2020. But every time I start eating again, I gain weight. God knows how many times I gain weight, I lose weight, then lose again, then gain, then lose, which to be honest is driving me crazy. Eating one chip? Think Japneet, you will gain weight. One cookie? Be mindful, you will gain weight. Diet. Look pretty from outside while being sad from inside. I don't remember how completely satisfied and full after a meal feels like. I'm always hungry. I'm always trying to curb my hunger by drinking water. Hey, water will not make you gain weight. Water is good. But water is not food or fuel. I have exercised 3 hours a day, ate till I am half full and craved and craved. It is not bad to lose weight, but don't lose by starving. Starving is not okay. Drinking only water is not okay. Hating your body is not okay. Loving yourself, loving your body, being realistic is okay. Your weight doesn't and will never determine your value. And this is my 2021 New Year resolution. Simply love myself and listen to my body. It knows best for me more than I do. In order to achieve this, I would have beaten myself up. I would have thrown myself into guilt hole and trapped myself into it. I have no idea how many New Years I have wasted by sitting alone in my room, not going to parties because I want to avoid eating unhealthy food. Still I ask myself same question. Why are you still fat? Why you didn't still start your weight loss journey? Why are you still eating unhealthy? Why are you not exercising enough? Harder. Lose weight. Lose weight. Guilt, shame, New Year resolution, diet, workout, and list goes on. This year, I will not make same New Year resolution as I'm making for past 20 years. This year, I will eat healthy, but I will eat what I want, how much I want, and I will be mindful. January 2nd was Saturday, January 3rd was Sunday. It's okay, I will start my journey from Monday. So what if New Year is gone? There's always a new day. 1 week later, I am feeling fine. I ate all I want. I'm still eating what I want. I feel good. I don't feel trapped anymore. Enjoying food guilt-free, as easy as it sounds. Year of being in guilt of eating a piece of chocolate or one slice of pizza make my hands shake while grabbing a tiny cookie. It is hard, but I know I need to improve relationship with food. My relationship with food should be good and lasting so that I can enjoy my life. Practicing mindful eating, not feeling guilty of eating pizza, burger, and not beating myself for just enjoying myself would be a key factor for sustaining my health and fitness journey.
And I know why I didn't say yes. Maybe I'm still afraid of.
I have my fears. Fear to gain weight, fear to eat, fear of food, fear to try again, fear of unacceptable. I get nightmares. I will gain weight. I don't buy my size clothes. I buy 2 sizes larger than my actual size because I'm scared. I'm scared I will gain weight. I'm scared I will fail. Food is not unhealthy. Fear of food is unhealthy. Weight gain is not unhealthy. Fear of weight gain is unhealthy. If you gain weight, you can lose. But fear lives with you. It lives within you. It can't go by working out, by eating healthy, by eating fruits and vegetables. Face your fear. You are much more than food, workout, fear. Our mental health is much more than thin versus fat debate. My New Year resolution is to not be scared of any food. Healthy, not healthy. Good, bad, there is no limit. But scaring off our fears would set those limits.
When the sun comes down, I'm gonna wash it clean, throw the past away this next time around. I think I made the wrong choice.
Love your life, love moments, good or bad, stress eating or happy eating. Food is a way to express our feelings. We should be okay. Life is not about counting every calories you eat. Life is about doing what you want. You want abs? Go for it. You want to lose weight? Go for it. You don't want to lose weight but eat healthy? It's okay. But don't do because others want you to do. Do it because you want to do it. It's okay to break New Year resolutions. It's okay to have different resolutions every day. This is how we learn. We make mistakes. I made mistake of not trusting my body, focusing on how others want me to look and not caring how I really want to be. At end, you don't remember whether you ate that extra cookie or not, whether you had pizza or salad. All you remember will be the moments, happy or sad, and how you felt in those moments. Life is not always bed of roses. There are struggles. Everybody have their own struggles. We judge people out of their appearance. Someone can be overweight. Maybe they are struggling with something. Someone can be underweight. Maybe they are struggling with something. Judge, judge, judge. Why? This year, I want to be less judgmental. I want to listen more, love more, be compassionate. Life is beautiful but hard. I don't want it to be harder for anyone because of me. You are not beautiful, you are fat, you are so thin, you are not smart. Let's don't say these words. Let's all be less judgmental. Let's all be supportive of each other and make life little less harder.
Oh, it's so good to be free. Your rules don't apply to me, no. I blow away all the